estaba. Hey YouTube, it's me Lexi back again with another video. This is slime. Oh my god, they're doing handstands on TV and they fell. Okay, this is slime collection part 3. I have like, let's say about like 10 more times left. So let's get started to it. Like I said on my other last videos, subscribe, like, turn post notification bell on, comment down below what tutorials I should do, what videos I should do, and yes, after this video, I will be showing you slimes I do not want for my cousins. So, yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, this one is called. Can you shut up? I don't know if that goes wrong with your tablet. Do. This one is unicorn poop. Legit, like I'm not kidding, it's unicorn poop. Okay, do not judge my names. So this one's unicorn poop. Now, I named it unicorn poop because the slime is black and has like colorful beads. So I'm thinking of like some Fairyland stuff. And I thought of unicorn poop since I like unicorns. Yeah. That's unicorn poop. Say bye to that ugly ratchet one. Okay, sorry for that. Okay. And it fell. This is not funny. 0% hope.
Alexi.
Can you shut up? I do not know what to do and you're making me scream on my YouTube video. You think I'm psycho.
Yeah, nobody goes subscribe to your crazy ass.
Stop. My video is gonna get age restricted because you just cursed.
You're scaring people.
You could block it. You know that.
You're so dumb, Jazzy. How am I gonna block a video?
You can mute it.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Monster, stop acting stupid.
Do you think I'm that editing? Dang. This one does not have a name, but it's a. This one's beautiful color. It's like.
Oh, thanks God! Please take your children.
Daddy, I have 17 views
on
YouTube and I have 3 subscribers.
No.
She had 3.
It's so awesome.
No.
Yeah, because my cousins are looking.
Cabrón,
So that's that.
What the heck, Jazz?
That's that one. Mama, ya dijiste eso like 20 times. Next one is Blue Ocean.
Talk too much. Grandma like that. What happened
It's
to
not my mom. It's not my mom.
Tu abuela, cabrona.
You don't know how to do it. You don't. Definitely don't.
This one is Blue Ocean.
Oh my God, I'm so sweaty. I gotta go shower.
It's a
Oh
pretty.
yes, I gotta play today. Oh my gosh.
Talking about Jazz.
Yeah, you said.
It's a pretty, like, nice, super stretchy color. It's very.
Sí, no.
It's very
Tú puedes. Tú puedes. Tú puedes. Tú puedes.
Tú también puedes.
It's getting stuck. Mom? Dying?
Pa, there's something wrong with the wife.
Mom, nice and good.
Qué bueno. Que se quebre ya.
How would you say that? My YouTubers need me.
For what?
So that they can see videos of mine.
I'm sweaty.
Stop! Jazzy, you're heavy!
Ay.
She scratched me.
Lexi.
So that's this one. Hope you like that Blue Ocean type. Stop! Stop tickling me! I'm trolling Grandma.
I'm not tickling you.
Yeah,
I caught that on camera. I could show Daddy.
I have the names for you guys.
Yes.
Petunia.
You're gonna be
Begonia.
Pishwella.
Sorry for the loudness in here. My dad just got home. If you saw him like right here. So yeah.
What the heck? She like right here.
Girl, don't nobody care.
Stop tickling
Stop
me!
tickling me.
Tú crees que la madre quiere suprimir esto, loca.
See, look.
Alexi. You can have everything. You guys come? Yeah. Hey. Hey, Grandma finna make y'all popular like
Stop.
Like Rosa.
She's on drugs. Something's with her.
Alexi.
Okay, the next one.
That's
That's what you get, boy.
Mira, ya está ofendida.
This is Oh my gosh. this is one of my foam ones. This is my first ever foam I tried to make. It's pretty ratchet. Daddy, she's trying to kill Grandma. I'm catching this on video, so I'm all gooch.
Jasmine, down.
Hey, what the heck is your problem?
Your poop.
You tickle your own self. I do not want to play with you.
Tickle your own poop, Jasmine.
This is Twilight. But yeah, we have like 5 more times left, so we're almost done. Probably have to make another dumb video. Me playing around too much, I would have been done. This is one of my crunchy ones. So this is that one. It's very fun. This one is a cream cheese slime. It's a cream cheese slime. It's not like a butter slime. It's cream cheese slime. That's what they call it. I'm calling it strawberry cream cheese because it looks like the strawberry cream cheese.
Nobody calls that.
Spreading. But like this texture is like very fun to play with. It feels like butter slime, but it's actually not. It's actually cream cheese slime. So that's it, guys. It's very fun to play with. I say it's not pokey slime. That one's fun. I made that one yesterday. So next one is strawberry shortcake. This is another one of my foams. Let's see if I can take it out. Oh dang, sound that stuff. Okay, so this is my foam, guys. Probably I love this one with all my heart. It's like so like relaxing and stuff. So yeah, this is this one. Say bye, strawberry shortcake. Okay. Next one, I have 2 more. Next one is Marshy. Another foam. It's a pretty mint color. It's Marshy. And the last one is my other butter slime. I'm not going to show it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.